G'day, it's Owen from Hawk Engineering. Just going to go through the calibration setup for Libra Cart wireless indicator. Got a tablet here set up with Libra Cart, so I'll just jump to the screen. So to get to the calibration information, we go to the device tab. So across the bottom of the screen, just click device. So up the top of the page is the calibration information. Down the bottom is just some information about the box we're connected to. So up the top of the screen, we've got sensitivity and rated capacity. These are properties of the load cells, so they'll be different for different load cells. But for the Avery 2 1/4 dual cells, the sensitivity is 1.3. So enter in 1.3 there. And the rated capacity is the total capacity of all the load cells on the bin. So for a tandem axle bin with 5 load cells, the rated capacity is 68039. For a single axle bin with 3 load cells, it'll be 40823. We'll set this one up here for a tandem axle bin, so 68039. Then we hit save settings. It'll just give us a warning that we're going to change the calibration. Just hit save. And now we'll go back to the display tab, and you'll see that the weight's now changed. So we can do that with weight in the bin or not, it doesn't matter. It's just changed the weight to the factory settings for the bin we got. We can now refine the calibration, and we can do that with checking a truckload over a weighbridge, and there's a little inbuilt calculator in there to help us do that. So we go back to the device tab, and then you'll see certified reading and cart reading. So that's the little inbuilt calculator to help us refine the calibration to get the bin as accurate as possible. So certified reading is a known weight, so the truckload over the weighbridge, and the cart reading is what the bin said we put into the truck. So just say we sent the truck over the weighbridge and it said we had 22,500, but the chaser bin said we only had 22 tonne on. So we hit calculate, and just before I do that, you'll notice the calibration factor is 1. When I hit calculate, it'll change that number. So it's just adjusted that calibration factor, and all the numbers are greyed out until we save them settings. It's just giving us a warning. We're going to change that calibration again, and you'll see the numbers have then gone black to let us know it's saved it. If we go back to the display tab, the numbers will have changed again. Just like before, we can do that with weight in the bin or not, it doesn't matter. It's just adjusting that calibration factor to that known weight. So that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching.